Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Hisense AX5140Q 5.1.4 Dolby Atmos Soundbar review. So, in this case, the Hisense AX5140Q is a 5.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar system designed to bring more immersive home theater experience to your living room. Now, instead of just using a soundbar, the package includes the main soundbar, a wireless 6.5-inch subwoofer, and wireless rear surround speakers. Together, they deliver up to 600 watts of total audio power and support both Dolby Atmos and DTSX, creating sound that comes from in front of you and behind you and even above you for a more cinematic experience. Now, one of the biggest reasons this soundbar stands out is its ability to create a large surround sound experience without requiring a complicated setup. Now, since the rear speakers and subwoofer connect wirelessly to the subwoofer, you don't have to run speaker wires across the room. It also includes several listening modes such as movie, music, news, night, sports, game pro, AI mode, allowing you to switch the sound profile depending on what you're watching or playing. Now, if you own a compatible Hisense TV, features like High Concerto or Easy Play let you adjust sound settings directly through the TV and combine the TV speakers with the subwoofer for an even fuller sound. Now, setting it up is quite straightforward here. You just need to place the soundbar below your TV, position the wireless subwoofer near the front of the room, and place the rear speakers behind you or behind your sitting area, and then connect the soundbar to your TV using the HDMI, ARC or ARC port for the best audio quality. Now, once powered on, the wireless speakers automatically pair with the system. From there, use the remote to choose your preferred sound mode, adjust bass and surround levels, and enjoy Dolby Atmos content from compatible streaming service like Blu-ray players or gaming consoles. So you can also connect devices through Bluetooth, optical, USB, or HDMI depending on your setup. Now, where does this speaker actually excels? Now, it really excels with movies and gaming. Now, the dedicated rear speakers here makes explosions, ambient sound effects, and directional sound feel like they're happening around you instead of just coming from the front of the room. Now, the four up firing speakers add convincing height effects when watching Dolby Atmos content, while the wireless subwoofer delivers deep bass that adds impact to action scenes and music. Now, independent testing has also praised it as one of the stronger budget-friendly Dolby Atmos systems because it offers a large immersive soundstage at a much lower price than many competing surround sound systems. So, in this case, you might be wondering, why should you buy it? Well, the Hisense AX5140Q is an excellent choice for anyone building their first home theater, movie enthusiasts who want true surround sound without installing a full wired speaker system, and gamers looking for a more immersive experience on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. And it's also a great match for owners of compatible Hisense TVs who want to take advantage of extra integration features. Now, if your priority is getting powerful sound and powerful surround sound here, Dolby Atmos support, wireless rear speakers, and strong bass at a reasonable price here. Well, obviously, the speaker offers one of the best overall value packages in its class. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.